In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and access shared Dropbox folders. Whether you're using Dropbox for personal or professional use, understanding how to efficiently navigate shared folders is essential for collaboration and organization. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first need to head over to Dropbox.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and type the URL into the address bar, then press enter. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, log in with your credentials. That means entering your email address associated with your Dropbox account and your password. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the features, including shared folders. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step for added security. Once logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. This is your navigation sidebar and it's your gateway to all the main sections of Dropbox. Locate where it says Shared in this sidebar and click on it. This is the section specifically dedicated to managing anything that's been shared with you and anything you have shared with others. Clicking on Shared will take you to a page that is essentially your hub for all shared content. Upon entering this section, you'll see a list of folders and links that people have shared with you and that you have shared with others. This can include things like project folders shared by colleagues, photo albums from friends, or any document that someone chose to share with you. This is particularly useful because it centralizes all shared content in one convenient location, eliminating the need to comb through your entire Dropbox to find that one file or folder you've been granted access to. From here, accessing a folder is straightforward. Simply click on the name of the folder you wish to view. Inside, you'll see all the files that have been shared. You can view, download, or edit these files depending on the permissions that the original sharer has set. If they've allowed editing, you'll be able to make changes directly, which will be visible to anyone else who has access to that folder, fostering seamless collaboration. Remember, if you need to reorganize or tidy up your shared space, you can use the options to hide or remove access to folders you no longer need. This helps in maintaining an uncluttered workspace. And there you have it. Navigating and accessing your shared Dropbox folders is as straightforward as that. Regularly checking your shared section can enhance your Dropbox experience by keeping you updated on any new content that others share. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide empowers you to better manage and collaborate using shared Dropbox folders. Feel free to drop a comment or reach out if you have any questions. Happy collaborating.